Hey everybody, it's Skyrizi on body at home device medication time. So we got our medication open, peeled off the seal, sorry. I already inspected this guy. It's clear. You really shouldn't be shaking it. Kind of moved mine around a bit. Clean this end right here with an alcohol swab. And if you check on the pamphlet inside, should give you your step-by-step directions. If you want to read them, I'm going to kind of go through that without going through the pamphlet because it's quicker. So take out your device. Make sure that door is open, this door right here. And then carefully look on the back. If I can get the angle right. You're going to look by that spring. You're going to need to look for a needle. It's going to look like the needle on a syringe. Look carefully, I can see it. It's there. These need to be on here so you can peel them back for the adhesive. This door needs to be open. Has to stay open until you put your medicine cartridge inside. There should be no light on at the moment. Everything looks good. We're not going to push on this button because that starts the timer. Okay? So I'm going to just kind of gently set this down like this. I'm going to take our medication. And with this end, the end that you cleaned, you're going to put it inside this device. And it's going to go in like that. When you push down, you hear a little click. Then you're going to close this door and you're going to hear another click or a snap. That means that's good to go. Then you need to pick a spot on your body. Clean it with rubbing alcohol, preferably the top of your thigh because the skin is smooth, it's tight, and if you kind of put it on your stomach, if you need to bend, twist, or move, it's not really good for the loading time. Loading time should be at least 5 minutes. I've left the device on before. When my instructor taught me to leave it on until that little green light goes away, it didn't go away. An hour later, I was still sitting there. I knew it was done, but I still left it on anyhow. So then after the medication is in and we're ready, got the spot on my leg, we're going to pull off this part first. The big part comes off first. Once you peel off this little tiny part, it's going to pull a piece of plastic out of here, kind of like when you're at the store and you see the Christmas or the toys and it's got that piece of plastic and you pull it out. And then the battery then gives, it prevents the battery from working. That's the same thing. So when you pull it out, it pulls out that piece of plastic, which then initiates the beeping. Oh, crap. And you can see the blue light. So that means that the battery is ignited and it's countdown time. So now I'm going to pick a spot on my leg, right here. Same spot every time. Push down gently on the top part of your skin, along the edge. Oops, along the edge. And then when you're ready, push this button, but only when the device is on your skin. I'm ready. Ouch. And then if you watch long enough, on here, you'll see the medication dispensing. I can't believe that it is. I guess not. I guess I'm just in the wrong spot here. Okay.